you sure he won't be mad that I ate him?
Trust me, I am 1000% sure.
Okay, here goes. Head, eyes, not bad. Arms, legs, Arthur, it's alive! It's moving inside me!
It's a cookie, DW. Sit down.
He's mad! I can feel it! He's coming back up!
This is the last scary thing on your list. It better work.
This is Uni, and this is her horse clothes barn, and her schoolhouse, and unicycle, and pedal action convertible. And don't you dare even touch her, because as soon as I stop hiccuping, I want her back.
That didn't seem too scary.
It was terrifying. Poor Uni. Will I ever get to see her blue hair again? Will I ever get to crayon her face? Did you hear that?
Hear what?
I'm not hiccuping anymore.
Yahoo! We did it!
Hi, Arthur. Hi, DW.
Look, no hiccups.
Good for you. You know, I was just reading about the world record holder for hiccups. Some guy named Charles Osborne had the hiccups for 68 years. Can you believe it? Well, see ya.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
We're here waiting to see if D.W. Reed can set the world record for hiccups. Tell me, how does it feel to be this close to making history?
Terrible.
If you can continue hiccuping for another 30 seconds, then it'll be officially 69 years since you started, which makes you, let me see, 69...
Old.
Right, very old. Let's watch and see, shall we? What's wrong?
I can't hiccup anymore.
Now you decide to stop? It's a bust, folks. Go home.
At least I don't need a Halloween costume this year. I can just go as Hiccup Girl.
That's pretty scary, I have to admit.
Why aren't you wearing a costume, DW?
I am. I'm Hiccup Girl. See?
Don't worry, your hiccups won't last forever.